Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to stop back at my channel. Alright, today I am going to be making an Italian sausage creamy soup. I found this online. I just looked it up online. I will have the link down below for you so that you can get it for yourself and you can change it, modify it however you want. But this is what it calls for. It calls for butter. So I have butter here. It calls for onion. I have the onion here. I'm just using this. This is from Market Basket. 79 cents this cost me. So why not? It's 10 ounces. I don't need 10 ounces. It just says I have a chopped onion. You need garlic. I don't have any fresh garlic. I have this garlic. Excuse my dog for drinking. She's going to do all kinds of annoying things while I'm doing this. Then it calls for bone broth. I have my own. This is 4 cups here, plus a couple little extra cubes because I like it in cube form too. It does call for cream cheese, 8 ounces of cream cheese. It calls for, and then a pound of Italian sausage, mild or hot. I'm using mild. 1 14-ounce can of diced tomatoes. I'm using the Fire Roasted by Hunt's Organic diced tomatoes, no sugar added. Also, it calls for 2 cups of spinach. I have this frozen chopped spinach I will be using. And then it also calls for basil and oregano, and it calls for cayenne pepper, but I am using red pepper flakes. Then it also calls for a bay leaf and some Parmesan cheese, which I have right here. I also have some fresh that I can shred myself. I am using some extra virgin olive oil. I have my pink Himalayan salt here, and then I have my pepper. So let's get started. So the first thing that you're going to do, and again, I'm using my Foodi, my Ninja Foodi. So when you have anything on these top rows here, that will call for this special pressure cooker lid. So anything on the bottom rows here, which is like the air fryer or air crisper, bake, roast, broil, or dehydrate, that will call for this lid, which is attached, and you just like push it over. So this is the pressure lid, and that is pressure, steam, slow cook, yogurt, saute, or sear. So we are going to saute or cook up our Italian sausage. Now this is already, this has the skins on it, so what I did is I just took a knife and cut down the bottom. I'm using these 3. And I'll cook up these 2 and into dice kind, so that, I don't know, if Stefano might want to have that with eggs or something. I don't want to waste it, so I will just cook this up separately. Alright guys, so when I get started with all this searing and cooking, I will get right back. Here is a 1/4 cup of my onions. I just filled this up, and butter, 1 tablespoon of butter, and 1 tablespoon also of my extra virgin olive oil, and just a little half a capful of my garlic. And that is what I'm doing now. I'm just going to saute up these onions, and then I will add in my sausage. So see how well this sautés? It's really good. I love this thing. This Ninja Foodi was the best investment we ever made. Alright, I'll be right back with you. Okay, so these are sauteing really, really well. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get my sausage. I'm going to peel back that skin. I'm going to drop it in there. And I saw this on sale, so I grabbed it. Alright, so this is the best invention ever made. So I use this for my ground meat. Now I want to be careful because I don't want to scratch up the bottom of this. So I'm going to be very careful when I take it, and you just mush it. Added my tomatoes. And I added my chicken stock in here, which is my chicken bone broth that I made myself. So now I'm going to add my seasonings, and it calls for 1 teaspoon of basil, 1 teaspoon of oregano. So I have that right here. And the sausage is a mild sausage. Oh, my kitten just turned on. She just turned on the computer. And then it also calls for Parmesan cheese, but that is like on the, you know, to put on after you cook it. But I am going to add a little too. So I'm just going to add a little spoonful. And then it does call for the 8-ounce pack of cream cheese. So I'm going to cut this up and I'll show you in one moment. Now, so what I did is I cubed up the cream cheese and I threw it in here. And that is that, guys. I just have to put in a little bit of the red pepper flakes. I'm just adding like 1/4 of a teaspoon of the red pepper flakes, putting that all over. I did not add any salt or pepper to this. I never cook with the salt. I do cook with pepper, but not the salt. So that is that. This all has to just start bubbling and cooking down, and I will show you the end result of this soup. It just looks so amazing already. I just love this Ninja. I really do. This is like the best thing. You could cook everything in one pot. How great is that? Saute everything. All right, guys, so I want to close the lid, and then I want to show you what it looks like when it's all completed. Okay, guys, so this is how it looks right now. The cream cheese still has to melt a little bit more, but everything has cooked all nicely. Oh, it smells so good. I smell the tomatoes and the spinach. I cannot wait to have this. It is going to be so good all together. Yeah, this just looks amazing. It really does look amazing. So this is one of those fast and easy soups that you can make for your holiday. Everybody's so busy right now. The temperatures are cooler. This is perfect. And I bet you the next day, this soup will be even better the next day after it's sat overnight. So if you make a big pot of it, it'll last you all week. I know with keto, I tend to eat the same thing all the time. So this would be perfect for me to eat every single day. So don't forget, guys, the recipe is going to be down below with all the nutritional facts. They are not my facts. They are what I got from the website. So, but yep. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Like I always say, somehow, some way, I'll have an amazing day. You make your day amazing, and together, friends, we'll have an amazing day. I will show you this all bowled up in a beautiful bowl. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe. This is going to be like a weekly thing. I think I'm going to do 1 or 2 quick and easy recipes for you, and I hope that you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Help me get to 10,000 subscribers. Bye, guys. See you in my next video.